Alright, right now, just making a quick video showing you guys what I added the LED glow light kit. Well, it's not LED glow, but it's a Morimoto light kit. So basically it lights up the grill right here. This will light up. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm booting up my tablet to control it. So basically, right now what you see is the halo rings, the demon eyes. I'm gonna turn off the halo rings for you guys and the demon eyes, and I can show you that each of the halo rings and the demon eyes, I can change different colors, and the grill I can change a different color also by itself. So I'm gonna show you for my tablet. My battery's a little low, it's at 11% on the battery. But I'm gonna see if I could still control it. For you guys. Okay, so right now I have it controlling. I'm gonna set it solid. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the tone down. So basically what I'm gonna do is input 1 is the demon eyes in the back. So what I'm gonna do is turn number 2 is the halo rings. So what I'm gonna do is turn the halo rings off. See, that's just the demon eyes right now with the grill. So input 3 is the grill. So the grill, I can change the color separately by itself from my tablet that I have here. So I can change the grill different colors, as you can see. The grill is changing blue, purple, red, all these different colors. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the grill purple, right? So I'm gonna go back to channel 2, output 2, that's for the halo rings, which is off right now. I'm gonna turn off, so what I'll do is I'll turn off the demon eyes, turn back on the halo rings. This is just the halo rings. Let me just dim them down a little so you guys can get a better look of what the halo rings look like. So I'm gonna change the halo rings, like see, I can go through all the colors with the halo rings. So basically all 3 of the different things, like the halo rings, the demon eyes, and the grill, they can all be different colors, and I could run them at different times, or I can turn them on and off whenever I feel like it. So the halo rings I'm gonna leave like a red, right? Then now I'm gonna go back to the demon eyes, turn the demon eyes back on, and what the demon eyes is it's a light behind the projector. So just turn that on like a real dim color, and I can change the demon eyes another different color. As you can see, if I wanted to, I could set the demon eyes. As I can see, the demon eyes is on like a green or blue. So I have it on like a blue, and I can make it strobe. The demon eyes, the demon eyes, I can make it strobe, so I can make it either slow down or speed up. So that's the demon eyes right now flashing. Or I can just stop the demon eyes from flashing, and then just do the halo rings. Go to the halo rings, which is number 2. And set the halo rings. As you can see, it's changing different colors, the halo rings. I don't have the brightness up too high, but there you go. These are halo rings. They're super bright, but I like to turn them down so I can get a better view. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to turn the demon eyes off and just put the halo rings on, and that's it. And this is the halo rings on. And dip it down a little, because I turned the demon eyes off, so this is it. So I could set this and set the halo rings to strobe and different things like that. And instead of doing that like that, I could turn off the halo rings and the demon eyes, just like I did. I load it down, so I'll have it on solid right now, the halo rings. So you can adjust this, so I can adjust everything to different colors. The grill, I can make the grill flash and strobe instead of just the one thing. So I can have all and strobing at the same time. So right now I have the halo rings, I mean not the halo rings, just the demon eyes and the grill strobing right now in the background. And all I have right now is the halo ring is staying a steady green. The demon eyes is blinking in the projector, which is blue, and the grill is purple. So I'll slow it down and I can change it, the grill, to like a yellow or a blue. Green. So I'll leave it on the blue. Turn that off. So right now, I just turn off the halo rings, so now I just got the demon eyes on. So the demon eyes I could do like pink, purple, and then set the halo rings at like a yellow. So right now the halo rings are like a yellow. And the projector is the halo rings is a yellow, and the projector is purple, and then the grill is a blue. It's a close-up of what it looks like. And right now, like, I'm doing everything from my tablet. Right now, I'm doing everything from my tablet while I'm changing the colors and the different outputs for different things to control different modules. Right now, my next project is working on putting them in the fog lights on the bottom and adding demon eyes to those on the bottom so I can control those too, the fog lights. Also, different color modes and things like that. That's it. I just wanted to show you guys my new add-on, the LED grill. It controls from the same Bluetooth controller as the demon eyes and the halo rings and stuff like that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.